Ladies and gentlemen, it is Dave, Cell House Columbus, Cell House Ohio, here with Mr. Bill. We are buying your property today, Bill. Is this correct?
Yes, that's right.
All right. So you're moving down to Florida. You've
Yep.
got a grandbaby. You're living out of boxes at this point. You couldn't wait to
Yes,
get this
sir.
thing sold. Yes. Well, you're doing the right thing because your family's already down there. Is that correct?
That's right. Yep.
So you were looking for somebody to buy your house for cash. You didn't want to have to list it and do the whole deal. And you probably found us online and you were probably a little skeptical. I think you've kind of talked to some other people and whatnot. Can you share your experience?
Yeah. I don't know. I probably called four or five investors before I was in contact with you. Um, Several of them came and looked at the house. Some of them didn't even look at the house. They just did it sight unseen, and they gave me ridiculous offers of $5,000, $10,000. Um, I know my house isn't perfect, but it's a good, solid house, and I think it was worth more than that.
Yeah.
And they offered me low ball offers, and I didn't take them. And then finally got a hold of you, and you guys came in, you looked around, you gave me a fair price. We had a few hiccups, but we worked through it. You were willing to work with me, and everything's went real smooth so far.
Excellent. Yeah, we're looking forward to getting this done. I know you are as well. And when you headed down to Florida, so I mean, the ink dries at I think noon today. How soon are
Yeah.
you getting out of here? I
Um,
mean,
I'm probably going to leave. I'm probably pulling out of Ohio Saturday afternoon.
you driving
So
straight through?
yeah, I got a few other things besides the house. I got to take care of some banking and some other stuff, and then I'm taking off. So um, yeah, I'll be on the road Saturday, and I'll be in Florida come Sunday afternoon.
So we wish you all the best and the safe travels, and we're looking forward to getting this thing done. My last thing is like, what would you say to, I mean, we're really buying your house. Like, we're not just
Yes.
some, yeah, we're not playing games with you. We're not playing games with our funding partners. We're not playing anything like that. We're a real legit home buyer. And I guess to anybody else, because I mean, you called four or five different places. What would you
Yep.
say to somebody who's looking to sell their house for cash and work with somebody who's actually going to get this thing to the closing table?
I think with the difference between you guys and the other people I talked to was just the honesty and the communication. Every question I've had, someone from your office has been on the phone immediately and answered my questions and made me feel at ease. You and I had talked before, and I'm the kind of guy that is big on service. I want service. I don't care about the number. I want
This is
service.
true.
And you guys have serviced me well. Like I said, you've been honest and upfront with me and have been real easy to work with. So I would suggest anybody in this situation to deal with your company over anyone else.
Thank you for the kind words. We really do take it seriously, man. I'm thinking about you guys. Funny, I go home at the end of a long day, and my wife asked me, "How was your day?" And I'm talking about Bill. I'm talking about Susie. I'm talking about Jonetta. I'm talking about you guys. I'm thinking about got to get this done. Got to get this done. This is my world. So I appreciate the kind words. I know that we really do strive to do a good job, and it always feels good to hear it from the people that we work with. And if you're somebody seeing the video that you're interested in, investing in real estate with us, we're always taking on new funding and capital partners. I'd love to talk to you. Or if you're somebody who's looking to sell their house fast for cash, find us online, sellhousecolumbus.com, or call us 614-300-5151. Bill, we wish you the best. I will probably be talking to you here by the end of the day. I know you got to send me some stuff through text or whatever. We're going to take care of everything. We're going to get this thing done for you. It's been great to work with you, and
Thank
I will
you.
talk to you soon.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Bye, Bill.